everyone, I am moviegoer Lisa 007 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn, I'm gonna just be practicing some music and I want to take you guys along with me to see how well I do or bad. Like I said, I have not been playing in over 10-15 years, so I'm out of practice but I still do remember all my rules of music and how to play, because once you learn something, it never goes away. So this is my recorder. I'll show it right here. It's a recorder. It's a Baroque. And I bought this in my early 20s when I wanted to learn how to play a recorder. Because as a child, my brother played a recorder. And so I wanted to learn. So I learned on my own with this little booklet that I had for many years. I don't think they make them anymore, but this is what it is. Let's see how well I do, if I can remember how to play a recorder. Let's see. And here's a nice fingering chart. In the book tells you all the notes, important information, like a quarter note, half note, whole note, dotted half note. All it gets 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. It'll tell you exactly, And in here, the diagram will tell you how to hold it, position it, and how to play it. You may have an 8th note and a 16th note in here. And then it tells you also how to rest, and even the rest gets a counting part. Like a quarter rest is 1 count, and so forth, as you can see in here. Then you have your time signature, which is very important. The top number usually means how many beats to measure, and the bottom note just means whatever measure it is to the measure. And that's the major information in here. It also has a basic fingering chart. Sorry, it's first thing in the morning on a Sunday, and my throat is a little bit dry, so that's why I always keep some type of drink along with me. Those are the notes for the recorder. Let's go over a few of them. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's start with climbing. Now it's important to breathe, so just take a deep breath and try it again. Alright, just go on. I'll play a couple. Some of the high notes are giving me a little bit of trouble because I overblow. If you overblow, then, that means you have too much air. If you lightly blow, you have it just right. And if you have too much saliva, just clear your throat. So. Try it one more time. Alright. Our feather jaw, my favorite. Don't forget to breathe. Now, in case if you feel like you have too much paint, just bang it out. And then just stop every once in a while to clean it with a cloth or something. And that's about it. We're going to play Alouette. Let's see if I can not botch this one. Not bad. Alright, we'll play one more song and then that'll be it. Let's find a good one in here. How about Praise Him in the Morning? Let's see. Once more, bang it out. And there you have it. That's it. And I know I didn't do too bad, but it's been a long time since I've just been able to play a recorder. This is the recorder that I kept in my 20s, and it's still in pretty good condition. So, the book that we used was the Music Pocket Book. I don't know if they have it anymore, but I bought everything a long time ago for about $20. And, I guess, they, don't have anything cheap because you can find everything on Amazon. And that's about it. If you have trouble breathing, just remember, don't forget to breathe and learn how to breathe correctly in between the notes. So, I mean, this book will tell you the instructions and songs, and it'll tell you everything that you need to know. And I know nothing is cheap, but $20 for these two sets, that was a pretty good deal for me. So, but anyway, that was such a long time ago. I was over in my early 20s. I got this recorder. I'm 44 now, so that's a long time. So I had this thing for almost forever. So it's still in good condition. Depends on how you take care of things. It will last you forever. Just that's about it. I'll see you all in the next video, and maybe we'll play other types of songs with flute. Let me know if you'd like to hear me play some more, or if you'd rather have me play piano. We'll do some piano playing today. I'll upload a new one today, so, well, today is the 17th, and next week will be the future video. So, we'll see. Talk to y'all later. Bye, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, see you next time. Goodbye.